HENG CHANSONGVAPICH. Welcome to my page. I'm here to help you learning Khmer in simple way, easy and real way. A lot of people think that Khmer is difficult, but it's actually no. I think you just need someone who can explain you in a clear way and the way that we actually speak in Cambodia. So as you know, I'm a native Khmer. I've been living here for 20 years. And on this account, I will teach you a real conversation, a natural pronunciation, the way that Khmer people really talk. Whether you want to travel in Cambodia, whether you want to talk with your friend in Cambodia, whether you want to learn alphabet in Cambodia, I can teach you all. If you want a free talk, also fine. I'm here to guide you step by step. My goal is to make learning Khmer easy, fun, also fast. So if you want a short lessons, clear explanations, and everyday Khmer that you can actually use, make sure to try a drill lesson with me. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my lessons.